Hi everybody, just a quick check-in here. So everything's going well, except for one thing. I am not getting my water in. Temperatures here in Missouri are like in the minuses lately, so it's really hard on a very cold day to get in all that water. So this is my challenge now, is I need to drink a cup of water when I'm home at least every cup an hour. So we'll try see how that goes. Other than that, I don't have any other ideas with the water because that's a tough one for me. And I am also focusing on making my grocery list. So I'm going to be doing that here. So I will let you know when I get all of my groceries in. And I'm going to choose a recipe to do. So I should be getting that up on video in the next probably couple of days. I will get a recipe going and I will film on making the recipe and preparing for the recipe. And I'll have the description below, copy of what the recipe will be also if you're interested in that. So anyway, I just wanted to do a brief little check-in and let you guys know that I'm doing okay so far, so good. I am trying to stay within my points, and I am trying to get, if you're on Weight Watchers has on the app, it'll tell you how many points you get, which is, I get 27. And then it'll tell you if you're within so many points over, I think you can be so many points under, you get a blue dot. So if you stay within your points or you go, a little under your points, you get a blue dot. And that's what I'm trying to do I'm trying to be able to have a full solid week of nothing but dots. Crazy, I know, but that's my goal, is I want a blue dot per day, because that means that I have stayed within my points. Now, if you don't use enough points with Weight Watchers, you don't get that blue dot either. So the idea is to use up all of your daily points because you want to keep that metabolism running, and to try to make sure you're doing breakfast, lunch, dinner with even a snack here and there. So that is what I'm working on. I'm trying to get a meal plan together. I've been kind of just, last minute, oh, here, let me do this. Oh, I'm going to eat this. Oh, I'm going to eat that. So I think I'm actually going to sit down and journal a plan for what I'm going to do and what I'm going to have. So when I get that done, I will kind of put it on my channel, what I'm doing, as far as like how I'm gonna journal that out. I don't know if you are like this, but with me, I kind of have to have an idea of what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So like what am I gonna have for Monday? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. What am I gonna have for Tuesday? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. What am I gonna have for Thursday? On and on and on. It also helps you prepare your grocery list as well. So hopefully I will be able to get all that done for you guys. And I see my glasses are getting that ring light happening. I am so sorry. That's kind of bugging me, so I hope it's not bugging you guys. Anyway, here, let's take them off. How's that? So anyway, I am really hoping to be able to get prepared and to get this done, because success is what I need right now. I have to show some kind of success with this weight loss. My apartment, as you can see, a very well blank canvas here. So I'm still trying to see what kind of ideas, see what kind of furniture I kind of want at the moment. I plan on staying here for a year or two, probably a couple of years in this apartment. And then before I do something else, I don't know, condo, house, something. Anyway, so those are my expectations of what I have to prepare for. and kind of exciting, kind of nerve-wracking, but it is what it is, right? So anyway, I have to get ready to go back to work tomorrow. I've been off a couple of days. I was sick, so hopefully I can figure something out. I need to prepare for breakfast. So my plan for breakfast actually tomorrow is going to be probably 2 eggs, a piece of toast, and a cup of coffee, or a cup of hot tea. I like lemon ginger tea, so I might have that. That would be 0 points. My coffee is not 0 because I have to put cream in it. So that kind of gives me points. For lunch, I will probably take a salad. And then for dinner, I am planning on a pork chop in the air fryer and some green beans, maybe a salad. So I just have to figure out the points and figure out where I'm at. Because again, I don't want to be under points, but I also don't want to be over points. So it's kind of, you got to think a little bit on those things. As far as anything else goes, I don't really know when I'm going to start doing furniture shopping. I look online all the time. I use Amazon a lot. I got that chair behind me from Wayfair. That's the first time I ever bought anything from Wayfair. It actually is a very nice chair. It's kind of a glider, rocker, and it reclines. So it does the purpose for what I'm doing. And my big thing is I want some drapes. I need drapes. I don't know, maybe I'm just an old lady, but I need drapes at my window. I don't like it when I don't have that. Sorry, I'm kind of moving it around. I apologize. So I definitely want to get some drapes up to the window, especially right now. It's freezing in my house. I keep turning that heat up and I'm still cold. The dog is cold. I had to put a sweater on the dog because he kept trying to bury through under his blanket. I don't know where he's at right now. Oh, there he is. I think if you can see him. See, he's like down, covered up on his head in the blankie. So anyway, again, I just wanted this to be a little brief check-in with everyone. Check-in on myself, I should say. And hopefully the next check-in, I'm gonna tell you that I have drank all of my water for the day. So I will check in with you guys tomorrow night when I get home from work and go from there. Yay! Bye.